you painted yourself green. You have some ridiculous shorts on, and they won. So you're gonna do it again Friday?
Yeah, I painted myself green. Turned out to be successful, so I think I'm gonna do it for the next time.
And the gear, is that gonna be the same as well?
Yeah, it seems to work pretty good. I got the Incredible Hulk look, so I think I'm gonna do it every single day for the rest of my life.
You skipping class on Friday?
Yes, I am.
So what if someone's absent Friday? Does that even matter? Are you even gonna mark them down?
No way! Everybody's excuse